Welcome back to Motivate Wealth, where we try to educate you for the future. Today we will be discussing 10 terrible money habits that are worth stopping immediately. Number 1 on our list, not tracking expenses. Failing to keep track of your spending can lead to overspending and financial chaos. It's essential to know where your money is going. Number 2, impulse buying. Making unplanned purchases, especially on expensive items, can quickly drain your finances. It's important to think carefully before making a purchase. Number 3, using credit cards irresponsibly. Relying too heavily on credit cards and not paying off the balances can lead to high-interest debt and financial strain. Number 4, not saving for emergencies. Without an emergency fund, unexpected expenses can force you into debt. It's crucial to save for life's unforeseen events. Here we are with number 5, living beyond your means. Spending more than you earn leads to debt and financial stress. It's important to live within your means and spend less than you earn. We are halfway through the list. Please comment and subscribe if you enjoy the content. Now let's get back to it. Number 6, neglecting retirement savings. Failing to save for retirement can leave you financially unprepared for your later years. Starting early is key. Number 7, ignoring financial goals. Not setting or following through with financial goals can leave you directionless and hinder your financial progress. Number 8, paying bills late. Late payments can lead to fees, higher interest rates, and a negative impact on your credit score. Number 9, failing to compare prices. Not shopping around or comparing prices can lead to overspending. It's wise to look for the best deals. Okay, you made it to number 10 on our list, and that is not investing. Keeping all your money in savings with low interest can lead to missed opportunities for growth. Learning to invest wisely can improve your financial future. Breaking these habits can significantly improve your financial health and lead to a more secure financial future. So there you have it, 10 terrible money habits to stop right now. If you found this info useful and enjoy our content, please hit the like and subscribe button. Comment below on what type of videos you would like to see next. Check out our other videos on wealth-related topics. Thanks for watching.